看菜名，学中文。The first dish's name is 蝴蝶酥。
蝴蝶酥。
蝴蝶 means butterfly, 酥 means cookies. Do you know why it is called 蝴蝶酥?
Because it's in the shape of 蝴蝶.
That's right. The second dish, 狮子头。
狮子头。
狮子 lion, 头 head. Do you know why it is called 狮子头?
Yes, because it's large and round, just like the head of the Chinese guardian lion.
Correct. Next dish, 虎皮青椒。
虎皮青椒。
虎 tiger, 皮 skin, 青 green, 椒 pepper. Who could tell me why it is called 虎皮青椒?
Because the lines on the green pepper looks like tiger skin.
That's right. Good job. Next dish, 口水鸡。
口水鸡。
口水 saliva, 鸡 chicken.
Is there 口水 in the dish for real?
No, it just means it's mouth-watering.
That's right. Next dish, 松鼠桂鱼。
松鼠桂鱼。
松鼠 squirrel, 桂鱼 mandarin fish. The reason it is called 松鼠桂鱼 is that the fish gives out squirrel-like squeak when it is bathed in hot oil, and also the dish is usually served with pine nuts on top. Next dish, 羊蝎子火锅。
羊蝎子火锅。
羊 sheep, 蝎子 scorpion, 火锅 hot pot.
I guess the lamb spine looks like scorpion.
Yes, very good. Next one, 鱼香肉丝。
鱼香肉丝。
Do you think there's fish in the dish?
Yes.
There has to be.
Actually, there's no fish in 鱼香肉丝. 鱼香 is just a special sauce that coats the dish. Next dish is 蚂蚁上树。
蚂蚁上树。
蚂蚁 ants, 上 up, 树 tree. Who knows in this dish what are 蚂蚁 and what are 树?
The minced pork are 蚂蚁.
The vermicelli are 树。
非常好 very good. Next one, 肠粉。
肠粉。
肠 intestine, 粉 noodles. Does the shape of rice roll look like intestine to you guys?
Yes.
Yeah, kinda.
Last dish, 驴打滚。
驴打滚。
驴 donkey, 打滚 rolling. Do you know why this dish is called 驴打滚?
I don't know.
Me neither.
The reason it is called 驴打滚 is that the yellow soybean flour sprinkled over the dish makes it look like a donkey rolling on the loess. Out of the 10 dishes, which one is your favorite?
My favorite's 蝴蝶酥。
My favorite is 蚂蚁上树.
And my favorite is 松鼠桂鱼. Which one is your favorite?